Kabir Sahib, Kabir Dev Ji is the Eternal Father Almighty. He is the complete God and the Creator. Of all universes, He is the originator of all of us and is our Father. There are all these qualities in this God. Tvameva Mata cha Pita Tvameva. Tvameva Bandhu cha Sakha Tvameva. Tvameva Vidya cha Dravidam Tvameva. Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. He is the God of gods. He is that Almighty who is the God of all the gods. And He is the Supreme God. Now when a devout person listens to this for the first time, that Kabir Dev, Kabir Sahib is the complete God, Paramakshar Brahm, creator of all universes. So this statement feels like a quinine. It is difficult to swallow. Because till now, all we have heard was folklores. All we heard were stories. We could not get the knowledge of our holy scriptures because our spiritual teachers, the preachers of Hindu religion, our gurus, Mandaleshwars, all these teachers, they all lack true spiritual knowledge. All these sages lack true knowledge. They were not acquainted with spiritual knowledge. Because of this, we failed to identify God, and based upon the folklores, whichever deity was labeled as Supreme God, we believed it to be true. Because these preachers, gurus in Hinduism, they all were literate in Sanskrit language, and all our holy scriptures are written in the Sanskrit language only. Now later they were translated in Hindi or any other language. This is a later thing. Right from origin till now, that is from the beginning till now, all these scriptures were present in Sanskrit for that matter. The ones in Sanskrit are available. Translators have translated them in their languages. Now because of this, the people, the devout individuals trusted those very gurus, those preachers, those Mandaleshwars, believing that they have the knowledge of Sanskrit language, they can speak in Sanskrit. All our holy scriptures are written in Sanskrit language only, and because of this, we never really doubted those gurus. We never felt that they are uttering wrong information. This is because a student accepts whatever knowledge his or her teacher is imparting. Whatever the teacher is speaking about, the students do not raise objection, and they accept it. Once a teacher taught a history answer to his students. He taught them. That pupil's father was educated too, but he was not working. He had his own business. That child's father noticed that the child had written a wrong answer to a question. So he informed his child that the answer you have written is wrong. So the child replied that, "No, father, my teacher has said that this answer is right." The father said, "Son, kindly correct it." The son replied that I will not correct it, because my teacher has said this is right, my teacher has said this, my educator has said this. So, pious souls, today the same situation has arrived. All these preachers had knowledge of Sanskrit language, but they did not have any spiritual knowledge, because of which they failed to tell us about these deep secrets of our holy scriptures. And today, those very facts are present in our holy books, and this servant is enlightening the people about it. This servant is making it public with the help of these CDs, projectors, and by writing these books. Now those preachers, those gurus are facing problems that till now they were telling the folklore. They were telling these stories. What they used to say? Some used to say that Sri Vishnu Ji is complete God. Vishnu Ji is the supreme God and he manifests in three forms. In Brahma's form, he creates the universe. In Vishnu Ji's form, he nourishes. And in Shiv Ji's form, he destroys. Some used to say that Lord Shiv is Mahesh. He is Maheshwar, God of gods. He is the originator of all. And he is the one who controls the universe by taking three forms. He is the creator of entire universe. And he is the father. In Brahmaji's form, he creates. In Vishnu's form, he nourishes. And in Shivji's form, he destroys everyone. They do not have any parents. So these were folklores, these were fables. We used to believe them like Lord of all lords.